This large toolbox from Crescent contains a carefully selected assortment of hand tools needed for most industrial and mechanical applications. In total, the tools weigh about 9 kg and are made of chrome vanadium steel. The set contains a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with 11 hex sockets, a 1/2-inch driver ratchet with 15 hex sockets, 3/4-inch extensions, 50, 100 and the 147 flexible one, a 1/4-inch universal joint, 2 1/2-inch extensions, 125 and 250 mm, a 1/2-inch universal joint and a 1/4-inch to 1/2-inch adapter, 40 different bits, a ratcheting screwdriver with a magnetic holder and a storage space for 6 bits, tongue and groove pliers, diagonal cutters, long nose pliers, 8 Allen keys, 2 magnetic spark plug sockets, 11 combination wrenches starting from 8 and up to 19 mm, and 4 screwdrivers, 2 slotted and 2 Phillips. Check TME's website to find more details about this and similar products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.